All right, so we have a Chromebook P207PTVV. This device has been physically damaged. Let's try to open this up. Automatically you tell it's a cracked screen, you can feel it. So someone who uses a touchscreen needs this to be replaced. Not just that, it is assigned to this student's name, Josie Greer. No other user is logged into this computer. Also, there's physical damage to the actual keyboard. As you can see, there's looks like a knife that went in here. So we'll put that, and it goes pretty deep in. So, and it's not this knife that I'm using because it's way bigger. Okay, you can also see that there's pens or something that's shape of a pen probably been stabbed in here. Oh, there's another hole here. Damn it. Electricity. All right, let's try this again. All right, so that goes deeper than this one here, so that's bad. And then I did notice over here, look at this. So it must be the same pen. Someone like really forced it in there. Couldn't get no success there, but got success there. So to replace the keyboard is actually built into the board of the device. So that's technically the whole computer already. And plus, if that electrocutes me, shouldn't be for anyone else. And you have a cracked screen, so you're replacing the whole computer. All right, thank you.